Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Rockbridge County, Virginia, heading north on US Highway 11. We're driving through some nasty weather, but it's still not so bad that we couldn't continue to film. But a nice sunny day with blue skies is always preferable to rain. We enter the census-designated place and unincorporated community of Fairfield, one of 3 places named Fairfield in Virginia. Fairfield had a population of 257 as of the 2020 census.
First time around was a sinner, and you let me know. Second time around was a winner, now it's raining gold. Champagne showers laced with poison, how am I the last to know? Third time around was a given, but did I need any more than I've already got? Outpacing my intuition, screaming go, go, go. Must be a sick exhibition, some kind of messed up show. Cheer me on to watch me burn out all night until the sun's up. Cut deep and twist like a thriller, but did I need any more than I've already got? Take my hand away from me, yeah. I'll let you, 'cause I'm so addicted to this feeling. Head rush, keep walking in my face. No need to stop when it's all you. This is what you get when the devil's on your brain. When the devil's on your brain. The devil's on your brain. Devil's on your brain.
We passed through the unincorporated community of Steele's Tavern, which spans the border between Rockbridge and Augusta counties. Just to the west of here on State Route 606 is the Cyrus McCormick Farm, known as Walnut Grove. Robert McCormick invented the mechanical reaper, and his son Cyrus improved and patented it, eventually leading to the creation of the combine harvester. The farm, which lies between US 11 and Interstate 81, was declared a National Historic Landmark in 1964. 8 out of the 9 original buildings still stand today, and the farm and workshop are operated as a museum by the Virginia Agricultural Experimental Station of Virginia Tech. There's no charge for admission to the museum, which covers 5 acres of the original 532-acre farm. We're now in Augusta County, the second largest county in Virginia by area. The county had a population of 77,487 as of the 2020 census. Located in Augusta County, Natural Chimneys is a natural rock formation. This geological wonder is a prominent feature of a regional park. The formation consists of 7 towering rock structures, known as chimneys, varying in height from 65 to 120 feet above the ground. These chimneys formed over millions of years, originating from limestone deposits that began solidifying approximately 500 million years ago during the Paleozoic era, when the area was submerged underwater. Through geological processes like the uplift of magma and tectonic activity that shaped the Appalachian Mountains, coupled with erosion from water, weaker layers of rock were worn away, leaving behind the resilient chimneys visible today. The park, situated along the North River, offers a campground with 145 sites, amenities such as a swimming pool, playground, and hiking trails. Additionally, the park hosts an annual jousting tournament, one of the largest in the eastern United States, held every third Saturday of August since 1821. Augusta County is the proprietor of the property and ensures its upkeep and maintenance. In Augusta County, US 11 is called Lee Jackson Highway. We enter Greenville, a census-designated place which had a population of 887 at the 2020 census. In 1794, Greenville was established with 14 one-acre lots sold by Thomas and Jane Steele. It quickly developed into a bustling stagecoach stop due to its location at the intersection of 3 major roads, connecting it to Staunton, Waynesboro, and Point South. By 1810, the population had grown to 162 residents. In 1835, Greenville boasted a flourishing economy with various amenities including a flour mill, woolen factory, physicians, dwellings, stores, taverns, and skilled craftsmen. The population rose to about 250 in 1928.
still even deep in my head, and sometimes I feel my heart is dead. Maybe tonight, baby, could I love instead? Yes, I know we're not the same. I'm so tired of playing games. You don't have to be so hard. Just tell me your dreams, the things you like, what turns you off, what makes you doubt. I'll tell you my deepest secrets, I wanna let them out. Hiding a million different things, waiting for the night time to see what it brings. And I'm still even deep in my head, and sometimes I feel my heart is dead. Maybe tonight, baby, could I love instead? Yeah, I'm still even deep in my head, and sometimes I feel my heart is dead. Maybe tonight, baby, could I love instead?
We conclude today's drive at mile 227. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.